Good morning, students. Today, I am highly grateful to my management as well as the school system that they have given me chance to speak and to share some words on this auspicious day. The day is the Mother's Day. Today, I have got a tremendous opportunity to express my feeling towards my mother and all the mothers of the world through these not so great words of mine. Sure, no words can describe our gratitude or thanks for our mother. She is the most precious gift to us from the Almighty. As God could not have been present everywhere in the world, He must have created mothers to make up this laws. Everywhere in our life, mother's role is supreme. Behind the success of every great person, there is the inspiration of his or her mother. She is our first teacher, first guide, and first friend. She does everything to please each and every member of the family. In lieu of that, she does not want anything. We also take her and all efforts for us for granted. In a way, she does a thankless job for us. No wages, no holidays, non-stop work for 365 days a year. She is the only creature of the world before whom even the God bows. She is the epitome of love, affection, sacrifice, and generosity. Her presence in the world provides solace to the suffering humanity. Her smiling face removes all the sorrows and frets of the world. Mothers are a constant source of strength for fathers as well. Without mothers, fathers are incomplete. So, in a way, she is the nucleus of the family. No mother, no family, no society. And no society, no country, no world, and no existence of human beings. I can't say more beyond that. Thanks for listening with such a great patience. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
Good morning to Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I am Pavni and I am going to conduct this beautiful morning assembly with my talented team members. Nothing can be started without the remembrance of the Almighty who created the whole universe. So let's start the English prayer to connect with God.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. The Lord will see us through, the Lord will see us through, the Lord will see us through someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are on to victory, we are on to victory, we are on to victory someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. The truth shall make us free, the truth shall make us free, the truth shall make us free someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
We have so many duties towards our nation. So, to remind those duties, I would like to call Kanak from class 11 for the pledge.
Okay, this is Kanak Agarwal from Sangha House. So get ready for pledge and please follow me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all the elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion, and in their well-being, prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Every day must start with the great thoughts. So, I would like to call Arnav Dev from class 7 for today's thought.
Good morning to all. My name is Arnav Dev from grade 7A. The thought of the day is the mother's heart is the child's schoolroom. I repeat, the mother's heart is the child's schoolroom. Thank you and have a pleasant day.
A mother's love is everything. It is what brings a child into this world. It is what molds their entire life. So, I would request Rohit Sarpal from class 12th to give us a beautiful speech on Mother's Day.
A mother is she who can take place of everyone, but her place cannot be taken by anyone. Respected Secretary of the Society, Honorable Director, Principal, and all my dear friends, I am Rohit Sarpal, the head boy of TM International School, wishing you a very happy Mother's Day. Life begins with waking up and loving my mother's face. As we all know that the mother is a divine manifestation of the God. This Mother's Day is celebrated every year at the second Sunday in the month of May, and objective is to give honor to the mother as well as the motherhood. Mother is the most important person in our life. I am very grateful to my mother for all the sincere efforts that she has made to bring me up as a civilized, educated, and sophisticated human being. Mother's love is peace. It need not be acquired, it need not to be deserved. She is the first to help me how to face the difficult situations in my life. Life doesn't come with the manuals, it comes with mother. For me, my mother is like a goddess who gave me the birth and introduced me in this beautiful world. With this, I conclude my words by saying, to the world, you are the mother. To me, you are my world. Thank you.
Good morning, students, teachers, parents, guardians, and all are presenting there in that special assembly on that special occasion of Mother's Day. First and foremost, I hope that all of our students and families are safe and healthy in this pandemic. As we all know that we have been conducting online classes, live classes since 6 April 2020 to facilitate the classes at home, to be healthy. We know that this has been a difficult time and challenge to face the transition to work and learn from home and to utilize the valuable time in productive manner. And all these difficulties can be eliminated with the positive cooperation of the parents, students, teachers, and the entire family of TMIs, which is required. So, I am extremely thankful to all the parents, guardians, students, and the TMIs family members who have reached out to provide positive cooperation, comments, suggestions, and ideas for improvement. I am fairly certain that this is everyone's first experience with a true pandemic. And I am also impressed with how our teachers, students, parents, and the community has responded. That's great. Again, extremely thankful to you and expecting the such type of the cooperations in future too. Now here I would like to add another thing, that nobody knows when will the lockdown be uplifted and the life be normal, especially for schools. So all the students are requested to learn through live classes being provided by the school regularly, and parents are requested to cooperate us and their words too, as we know that past time never be recalled. Time once lost, lost forever. As we know that near about 1.5 months has been passed in the session 2020-21. So take it seriously, the value of time. And students, please take it seriously again on that note, that not only attending the class is important, but also learning them, revising them, and practicing is required too. As you know that very soon online examination will also be conducted through the live classes. Another special thanks to the mother who are contributing and praiseworthy efforts to get the class attended of their wards, get the homework done, and many other things with lot of responsibilities. On the occasion of Mother Day, wish you a very, very happy Mother Day to all. As we all know that a mother is the emblem of love, and she is the person who, without the intention of getting anything in return, sacrifices all her needs, wants, just to get their children's needs fulfilled. Without the presence of mother, our own existence would not have been possible. Never. So, students, I am requesting you to take care of your mother, respect and obey her, and always love her, please. Another thing I would like to add here, that such type of the special assemblies will be conducted in future too on upcoming special occasions. So be ready to attend them. Stay home, stay healthy, and learn through the classes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable message. National anthem is the heart of any assembly. So let's end our assembly with the national anthem. For that, I would request the choir to lead us.